Hi everyone, I'm here to discuss about some of the questions related to the Node.js. First one is what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is an open source server-side JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to build and run server applications using JS. Apache and PHP is commonly used as a scripting language, which is very easy for beginners and is designed for a web page. Node.js is a server-side runtime environment providing a non-blocking and to provide high concurrency and performance. It is used for real-time capabilities. Apache and PHP are the server-side technologies that excel at serving web pages and handling dynamic content. Not be as well as suited for certain real-time high concurrency applications. The second question is what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? A function that passes as an argument to the another function with the expectation that the callback will be called at an appropriate time. It is also called the completion of the given task. It prevents any blocking and allows other codes to be run in the meantime. Asynchronous function start the task and then continue executing the next instruction for the program when the asynchronous task is done at the callback function. The third question is what is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? The Node package.json file is essential for managing the dependencies, running scripts, and providing a metadata about our code in the project. Uses npm to install and update and manage the packages and dependencies for your project. It is also provides some key properties like name, version, description, main. Version is the current version of the project. Description is brief description of the project. Main is the entry point of your code is application, dependencies and license, etc. Package required for the production environment and should be initiated when someone uses your package. The fourth question is explain the differences between require and import statement in the Node.js. When and why would we use one over the other? Both are used to include the external modules and their function in your JS code. They have different syntax and choices between them depending on the various factors. Require is an synchronous, import is an asynchronous. Require loads module and its dependencies synchronously during initial module evaluation, means it blocks the execution of the rest of the code until required module is fully loaded. But coming to the import, it refers the loading of the module until it actually used in the code. This can be advantageous in the scenarios where you want to optimize performance by only loading the modules when they are needed. The next question. What is middleware in the content of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? Middleware is actually functions that are executed during request response cycle of an Express application. They play a crucial role in processing incoming requests and performing tasks, modifying requests or response object, and enabling the app to perform various operations in modular and in organized manner. Coming to the next question, what is the RESTful API and how can you create one using the Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in the RESTful API. RESTful API is a represented state Transfer Application Program Interface is an architectural style for designing networked application used for building web applications and are often used in combination with HTTP. The next question, what is the purpose of the Node Package Manager and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? NPM is a powerful for managing dependencies in Node.js. It simplifies the process of installing, updating, and uninstalling packages and making it easier to work with the third party libraries and modules in our Node.js application. The NPM refers to the Node Package Manager. It also provides tools for managing projects, dependencies, and running scripts and publishing package to the NPM registry. Why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? You answer in 2 lines. Hashing password is a critically important for several reasons. Security, password reuse. For security, protect our user data and sensitive information from unauthorized access, and it provides password confidentiality. Even administrators or developers with access to the database can't use or retrieve users' plain text password. In password reuse, some of the users use same password for multiple websites and services. If any attackers gain access to the passwords on one side, they may try to use the credential on the other platform. Hashing password ensures that even if one side security is compromised, the attackers won't immediately give access to the user accounts on the other sides. Thank you.